This is the elevator at 100 Craig Road in Manalapan, New Jersey. Oh my, whoa. Dover Halo Classic. This is awesome. This may be one of my childhood elevators, so we gotta take a few rides on it. Here it is. Dover blue interlock. Sensors, this used to have bumpers. Got sensors. Go to 2, listen to the motor, it's epic. One went out. Good one. Good one. Cab view going down. Here's your cab view. Just a beautiful old Dover elevator. Fixtures, door, halo. Now we're gonna go back up to 2. Instant door close. Listen to the motor. Go down to 1. Door close. Capacity is 2,500 pounds. This elevator is quick too, I gotta say. Send 2. Sensors, your Dover blue interlock. Listen to the machinery. And that's it.